Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the easiest laggy video on CapCut PC. Select your video and add it to your track, and I'm just going to split it in half. So actually I'm just going to start the lag here, and I'm going to kind of end it here. So on the lag, I'm going to go to effects, go to video effects, and we are going to find the diary one. Usually it's here, but if not, you're just going to, okay, see, doodle diary one is in trending. So we're just going to add it, and I'm going to add it just before the transformation. Adjust the filters and the texture and the stickers as well, and here you can just adjust the speed to your liking, and it's going to create this lag effect if you press the play button, as you can see, and then it turns to not like laggy anymore. If you want it to be faster, you're going to move it to the right. If you want it to be slower, you can move it to the left. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!